Kala Chana Chaat, we're about to recreate the magic of street food with our very own perfect recipe for any party or gathering. Welcome back to Burma Wala Kitchen. Let's kick things off by heating a large pan to medium heat. I am using a large round electric frying pan. Add 4 tablespoons of black mustard seeds. Once they start popping, pour in 1 cup of oil and give it a quick swirl. Now let's introduce 7 large sliced onions into the sizzling oil. We'll patiently fry them until they attain a delightful translucency, a process that will take roughly 15 minutes. About halfway through, add 2 tablespoons of ghee for that irresistible aroma and flavor. Next up, toss in approximately 12 whole fresh green chilies. If you're feeling adventurous and crave that fiery kick, consider slitting the chilies before adding them to the mix. Give everything a good stir. Now it's time to infuse our creation with a symphony of spices. Sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of salt, along with 1 tablespoon each of Kashmiri chili powder and turmeric powder, followed by 3 tablespoons of danya jeera. Ensure the spices are evenly distributed among the onions. Then add 4 tablespoons each of garlic and ginger paste, continuing to mix thoroughly. Once the spices have melded with the onions, it's time to introduce the star of the show, black chickpeas. Opting for tinned chickpeas expedites the cooking process. Incorporate 2 kilograms of these beauties into the spiced onions and fry for 5 minutes. A dash more salt, about 2 tablespoons, and another quick mix before frying for an additional 5 minutes. Now let's add some substance with 500 grams of chopped boiled potatoes. Give it all another good mix and let it cook for another 5 minutes. As the flavors meld together, sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of garam masala, giving it one final stir. And there you have it. Our Kala Chana Chaat is ready to dazzle. Garnish generously with fresh coriander to elevate both the aroma and appearance. This homemade delight mirrors the ones found at street vendors, bringing that authentic taste to your party. For an extra burst of flavors and texture, consider adding a squeeze of lemon or fresh fried filo pastry. Alternatively, sprinkle some pomegranate seeds for a touch of sweetness. Thank you for joining me once more on this culinary journey. I trust you've enjoyed the recipe, and I look forward to your next visit.